Sit down.
I'm not touching you. You're touching me.
You're trying to push your way in.
Back.
Sit down.
You're a bully.
You don't belong
You
that.
feel good about your authority and position with the law? So back to me. Don't fucking touch me. There's glass here. You don't fucking know what I've been.
After a report of a woman refusing to leave the premises. This footage captures the tense encounter that followed.
Okay.
Alright, I need one of you to talk to me. The other one talk to him.
Can I listen to what he's doing?
Give me something to drink.
Alright, ma'am, I need you to talk to him. What's going on?
He's trying to make me leave, and I live here, and he didn't have a problem until just now. He's high, and he's talking about me behind these people, but he's saying that he wants me to leave, but he just said that because I said something to him about talking about me behind my back, and now he's telling me he wants me gone. I'm not going. I live here.
How long have you lived here?
For over a week now. He's not. It's just because he's talking like he's trying to help me. But if you don't want me here, you should tell me that beforehand. Don't wait, and it's petty because he called the cops like that. Right. And no, he's not because I live here.
Right. I let her stay with me for a few days. Said okay. And anyway, I told the neighbors she's not my girlfriend.
Okay.
And that's what caused all this.
Okay.
And she kept dumping in my face and bumping her chest at me. So I said, I better call you.
How long has she been here?
3 days.
That's it? 3 days? She get mail here or anything?
No.
She have a key to your house?
Nope.
Okay. How long have you been here?
For 5 minutes. No.
How long have you stayed here? No, stop.
So I have done nothing wrong. Why is everybody handling me? This man over here shot off 3 shotguns the other day. A man over here.
Okay, that's not what I'm here
very
for.
stressful,
that's not
sir.
What I'm here for.
And this man is up saying that he don't want me here, but he didn't have a problem.
How long have you stayed here?
Over 3 weeks.
Over 3 weeks. He says 3 days.
I don't care what he says.
You told me 1 week.
He's lying.
Okay, so you just
No, I just been back a week, but I was here before that. Okay. All my stuff's here. I have a toothbrush here. I have belongings here. I have paperwork here.
Okay, what kind of paper?
I'm not going anywhere.
What kind of paperwork do you have?
This man over here shot a gun off 3 times and did not go to jail.
All right, you're yelling at me and it's not going to solve anything.
I don't care. I'm yelling. I'm not shooting a gun. I'm talking. I got freedom to speak.
Yep, you do.
And that's what I'm doing, defending myself. I'm not blowing anybody's goddamn brain out.
Do you have something that shows that you live here?
I don't have nothing because I ain't got it from him yet.
Okay, so
and I'm not dealing with lies.
If you don't have anything that shows you live here.
He has to evict me.
No, he doesn't.
Yes, he does.
No, he doesn't.
I'm going in to get my stuff and I'll go.
Okay, you stop.
Confusion over residency rights often leads to legal complications.
Do your job.
Tensions here are already past the breaking point.
Yes, you are.
I'm touching you right now?
That's petty, man. Yes, it's a yes.
I'm touching you right now?
No, you won't let me go. You won't let me enter. You're a bully.
You don't belong
that. You feel good about your authority and position with the law? So get the killers, motherfucker. Leave me alone. Men want to belly a goddamn woman, but don't want to be after a man with a gun. Where the f are we living at?
And she don't have anything saying that she lives here? She don't have anything saying that she lives here or anything like that?
No. Absolutely not. I let her stay here for a few days.
Yeah.
And because I was helping her.
Yeah. No, I get it.
I don't know what happened. Yeah.
You're just trying to help her out and she flipped?
Yeah.
I get it.
Okay.
Y'all ignorant.
Okay.
Don't quit your goddamn day job.
This is my day job.
Well, you ain't doing a good job.
Okay.
If you're going to let a man with a gun get away and you're going to harass me, because a man back here is just...
What am I here for?
It's the petty command and the grand scheme of...
What am I here for?
I don't know, because that man called you lies. And you believe in him, and I'm not going nowhere. No. You're taking his side, not mine. And I don't give a because I'm not...
You won't tell me your side because you just want to yell.
I told you my side.
You just want to yell.
It's stupid to even have the cops involved in the grand scheme of things, sir. Okay. That's why I'm yelling, because it's stupid.
Okay, but you have nothing that shows you live here, so I can't let you stay.
I don't give a goddamn. I'm in there.
He
don't have nothing that says he lives here. Tell him to have it. Tell him where his source is. Ask him. Ask him.
I will.
The woman's frustration is clear, but officers focus on de-escalation despite the heated words.
Why don't you get the goddamn man with the gun that shot off the other day? Y'all are stupid.
Okay, that's okay. Great.
Keep laughing. Let's go in. Let's go to the bathroom.
Not going in.
Why are you manhandling me?
Because you're trying to push past us.
I haven't touched you.
Really?
You came to where I live. I didn't bother you.
You're not going in the house.
No, I'm not going. I'm not going out the house. I'm sitting right here. As long as I'm not in that goddamn house.
That's not true.
Yes, it is true.
It's not true. You're on the property.
Well, I don't give a. I don't have a ban. I don't have a property ban.
Physical resistance dramatically changes the situation, a moment officers are trained to handle with caution.
She ain't that fast. Go ahead. Go, Bear.
Y'all stupid, man. There was just a man over here, not even a week ago, with a gun, shooting at a lady 3 times. And this man is not even locked up. Y'all here harassing me?
I'm not here for that.
Really? You don't even know the goddamn truth. I'm not going nowhere. You can't make me.
That's not true.
It is true.
No.
Hey,
That's Bear. Yeah, she's on the left side of the house. She's coming your way.
can I show you what means that a problem with me being here now? Can I show you right here?
Nope.
Why?
Can't go in the house.
You're crazy, sir. I have not done anything. I swear I wouldn't hurt nobody. Why are y'all doing this to me? This man right here, I was in here back here working the other day. I've done nothing wrong. I don't care if y'all killed me.
Stop.
No, it's just so much.
Stop.
Stop. Stop touching me! Don't fucking touch me! There's glass here. Don't fucking know where I've been, so don't touch me.
Hey, you're gonna get.
Why are you touching me, sir? I'm not
You're trying to
touching
push past
you.
this.
I live here!
You don't.
You don't either. Why are you here? You don't know nothing. Leave me alone. Please, that's all I want. And nobody does.
Physical resistance
Y'all
dramatically
bothering
changes
me.
the situation.
I'm not
A
bothering
moment
y'all.
officers are trained to
Is
handle
that y'all's
with caution.
job? Is it? Really? And see, y'all won't talk to me. Y'all don't listen to him. Y'all won't even listen to me. Why? And y'all wonder why I'm getting mad. Now, these people know what happened. They asked him where I was. And I got upset because he said something about me. And that's why he wanted me to leave. Ask them. Please, they're witnesses. Can you ask them? Can you just please tell them?
I'm about to go talk to them.
Please.
Hey,
I'm not causing problems with y'all.
I'm about
It's
to go. I'm
him.
about to talk to them.
I swear to God.
I really didn't do that.
No, I didn't. He called the cops for no reason.
Hey, there's glass here.
Sorry, sir. I'm not. I didn't do nothing wrong.
Just sit down and calm
I
down.
swear,
for me.
though, it's not
Just sit down
right.
and calm down. You're screaming at me and trying to push past me.
Because I'm upset.
The woman's frustration is clear, but officers focus on de-escalation despite the heated words.
Let's sleep. I'll just rock.
Let's go.
Y'all suck. What's the problem with you? The big fat. Let's put him right here off the top.
You need to continue to go.
No. I want my phone. I'm off this property.
You need to continue to
If they
go. Or we're
either
gonna
no.
listen.
No.
Okay.
I'm going. I'm going. Okay. I'm going. I'm going. You're putting my phone.
That's it. Nope.
No.
We gave you ample
I
amount
want
of
my phone.
time.
I haven't done anything. I'll stop. I'll stop now. Please, I'm very upset.
Listen.
I'm sorry.
Listen. We gave you ample amount of time. Okay.
I promise I'm going
We gave you
now.
ample amount of
Don't
time.
do this. Please. Okay, I'm not fighting. God damn, what did I do? What y'all talking to me with?
We just gave
No.
you so many chances.
I just want my phone, sir.
Now you want your phone.
Wait, I wanted my phone.
You told us to do this, do that.
Please, I promise.
Now it's time to go.
No!
Quit moving.
Please! Why did you do this? Why? Why? I didn't do anything. Please, I will go. I swear I'll go.
Stand up. Come on.
No.
I got your arm. Stand up.
No!
I'm trying to help you here.
No!
You gotta
You're
stand
trying to help me! You're hurting me, man! Dude, why did you do this? I haven't done anything, man. Y'all,
Have a seat.
please don't do this, sir, please.
Have a seat.
If I'm letting you go to jail, I'll go. Can't you just understand why I'm upset?
Yes, I understand why you're upset.
Don't take me to jail.
I'm gonna turn the air conditioner up for you.
Please!
Officers move to detain her, but the woman's distress only deepens, making a difficult scene even harder to watch.
She's banging her head against the thing.
There's no reason for me to be back here.
Hey,
No! I want out.
you're gonna
I've
catch
done nothing wrong.
You're gonna catch
Y'all
a felony.
have.
You're gonna catch a felony if you keep breaking
For
my car.
what?
If you damage my car, it's a felony. listen to me for a minute, all right? I'm gonna explain something to you, okay? I'm gonna take you to night. I'm gonna give you this report number, and if you want to press charges on him, all you gotta do is go to the courthouse and you can swear to a warrant, okay? The only charge I'm giving you is disorderly conduct. Hey, I'm letting you go. Right off. They will mail you the court dates. Stop that when you get out and you get your bag, all right? I'm doing this so you don't have to get out of the car in handcuffs, all right?
Alright, now both of y'all coming. He followed you over here?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, what y'all think I'm gonna do? Hijack this car.
Your phone's on top of the bag. Don't drop your phone. You don't want your bag?
I'll leave it there.
Okay.